Because if it's a 10-year agreement, for example, and this label is really excited about working with you, they've given you a lucrative recording budget, you may ask what that looks like. As an emergent artist, you all, don't hold me to all these numbers. I've seen the numbers vary. Anywhere from, you know, depends on what you want to do. Do you want to make music videos? Do you want to go on tour? Do you want to push out a lot of content? Some people can work with, for an extended play, which is 5 or 6 songs, from $30,000 to some people you all seen marketing budgets go all the way up to $250,000 and above. But know that an emergent artist is usually going to start lower. And you all, please hear what I'm saying. You do not want too much money from this other side, because it's all recoupable. Do you know what recoupable means? It means that until you pay that expense back to the record label, the distributor, whoever is pushing out and exploiting your music, you will not get the back-end residual income, which is what we really want you to get. Because you have what's called an advance. That $100,000 example I gave you before, if you go to a major label, they give you $100,000, you give them your master's rights, you come back and you have to recoup $100,000 before they give you a penny of whatever your back end is. So let's take a segue to an independent label, because the models are two very different models. So in an independent label, you are keeping your whole copyright. But then what you're doing is giving them a license for that term. You all, again, we want the shortest amount of licensing term as possible. So what does that look like? Ideally, you know, we're gonna go back and forth as your advocate, as your legal counsel. I'm gonna go back and forth with the distributor of the label to request for a shorter term. They may ask, you all seen 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25-year license. Ideally, I don't want that for you. So we're gonna go back and